In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your E version of the foot with a TheraBand. So there's many ways to do this, but I'm going to show you one of the typical ways that physiotherapists would show, which is when we loop a resistance band around a fixed resistance object. In this case, I'm using a TheraBand. I've also got a mat here for my support. What you can also do is you can get something underneath the knee. So what I would generally do with someone is get something like a pillow, but I'm going to use one of these foam rolls just so I can kind of mimic a pillow position. So once I'm in this position, I'm going to put my feet underneath and into the resistance band. So what I mean by that is I'm going to have the resistance band on the top of my foot, and I'm going to have it in the middle of both of my feet as well. So think about where the toes are, think about then where your ankle is, go bang it into the middle of the foot. So from here, I want to make sure that I bring my feet out to kind of narrow stance, so a little bit more narrow than hip width apart. I then put my knees on the foam roll, and then from here, let's say I'm working my left foot and my left ankle's eversion. Eversion simply means pointing the foot away from the middle line of the body. So if it was my left foot, my ankle's pointing this way, right foot, ankle's pointing that way. I'm going to use my left ankle eversion in this demonstration so you can see it best on the camera, which means my right leg and foot is not going to move at all. It's not going to do anything. Whereas my left side is going to come out into eversion and back in. Notice how I've got my hands on my knee because I don't want my hips getting involved or my knee getting involved in the movement. All the movement should come just from my ankle, and as I come away, I'm creating more resistance on the TheraBand. So you would repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and then if you wanted to, you could do exactly the same on your opposing side as well. That's how to work your resisted eversion of the ankle.